Let's play a game called I Wonder What All's Hurt. This thing is killed in the front end. You can kind of see there's some crookedness here. So we're going to tear this thing apart and see what is hurt. This is on a brand new Silverado pickup truck. First layer, it's crushed this sight shield up into there. It's broke already. It's a nice thing about tearing down wrecks. It doesn't matter if you break some stuff, it's already broken. That already came out all at once there. Oh, this is sad. I see what they hit now. They hit a bird. That's what did this damage. There he is right there. There's the guilty person right there. Now, maybe for the big reveal. There he is. Why'd you do it, dude? You should have looked first. Look at what you caused. We're gonna have to get a pry bar or something. Got all the bolts out of this upper tie bar. Oh man, forgot a wire. Drained the radiator. Took the AC machine and sucked all the refrigerant out of the condenser. Once that drains, we'll get the rest of the stuff out of the way. Condenser wasn't too bad to get off, but this, you had to take the stupid fan off to get this out. So hopefully now I've got everything off of this. Okay, was that? So I don't think it got to the motor. Here's the big problem: is that frame rail is just kinked up like crazy. So this one's bent just a little bit, and this lower bar here is killed. It's going to have to be welded back in, so it needs a frame rail, this bar welded back in, and this rail repaired probably. But there you go. There's the hidden damage. Thought you guys might want to see something like that. Here's all the parts that I had to take off of it to do this. Front bumper's killed. There you go. Peace out.